Speed is loud. Power is loud. Progress is loud. But precision is silent. At Chopra Retech, we don't make noise, we remove it. For decades, the world has trusted us to make movements smoother, quieter, and more reliable. Across continents, across vehicles, across millions of journeys. It begins at the source, with our own tool room where ideas take shape and precision is programmed. We don't buy performance, we compound it. Every formulation engineered in-house. Because silence is not assumed, it is tested, verified, repeated. Any geometry, any complexity. Rubber to metal, built to perform without compromise. Even delivery is engineered because details matter right till the end. Recognized for quality. Certified for responsibility. This is manufacturing with ethics. Our roots are automotive, but our capability goes far beyond. If it needs control, if it needs durability, if it needs silence, we can build it. For years, we built for the world. Now, we bring that same world-class precision home. To India's OEMs and aftermarket, to new industries, to new possibilities. Chopra Retech. We don't make noise, we remove it.